Addison, a legacy that transcends the boundaries of time. It stirs a quiet pride in our hearts. Heritage and sentiments tend to unite people under one shared vision. It is from such a legacy that Addison was born. The 150-year journey of Addison is not merely a tale of business, but of trust and enduring values. Here is the story. It began in 1873 in the quiet quarters of East Fort, Mount Road. Addison Press was established in the memory of the renowned London-based writer Joseph Addison. In 1886, Mr. Tom Luker purchased Addison Press for Rs 14,000 and ventured into printing, bookbinding, motor sales and repair service, and many more. Addison became the first company in India to import and sell Waterbury watches, rickshaws, radios and Triumph motorbikes. It also became the very first car agency of Madras. By 1912, Addison made history again. It assembled the first airplane in India, marking its entry into the field of engineering. In 1914, Tom Luker brought his two sons into the business and renamed the company as Addison Company, featuring the words Nulli Secundus as its principle, and introduced it to the world. Since 1914, for the next 27 years, Addison flourished across various sectors in manufacturing. During World War II, in 1942, as British citizens began returning to their homeland, Tom Luker's sons decided to entrust Addison to a worthy successor. That's when Mr. Anantharamakrishnan seemed trustworthy as a shining beacon of hope. In 1943, Addison officially became part of the Amalgamations Group, led by the man named Sivasailam Anantharamakrishnan, fondly known as J. And thus began a new chapter in Addison's journey. Initially, Addison Company continued sales and service of foreign cars. By 1947, it transitioned into an assembly unit for Morris Minor cars, becoming the first of its kind in this segment. Within a span of just 6 months, Addison sold 1,000 cars and achieved a new milestone. However, that glory was short-lived. After a year, the Government of India revoked the license of car assembly and sales of Addison. Despite several attempts, the decision was irreversible. Yet, the management of Addison did not waver at all. For the next 4 years, the company explored new domains for a lasting growth. By 1955, Addison sent its executives abroad to learn and master the craft of cutting tool technology. Addison began manufacturing its own HSS cutter machines, drills, reamers, and end mills until the name Addison became synonymous with cutting tools across the nation. International buyers took notice of Addison's exceptional quality and started buying. By 1963, within just 8 years of launching its cutting tool division, Addison was exporting globally. Presently, it exports to over 35 countries and continues to win accolades and top honors from export councils year after year, bringing pride not only to itself and the Amalgamations Group but also to India. Addison started its foundry division in 1970, producing castings and components for companies namely Simpson and others, and continues to do so even to this day. Presently, Addison operates in 3 distinct verticals: cutting tools, foundry, and real estate, all with remarkable success. To all of them, Addison bows in deep gratitude at this juncture. Let us now take a look at Addison's journey and preparedness for the next century. As Dr. Abdul Kalam once said, dreams are the first step to success. Addison continues to embody that very spirit. Its success in the cutting tool industry is built on 2 core values: integrity and discipline. Profit has never been its sole motive. Its mission has always been to ensure that everyone associated with it benefits together as one single unit. Dreams do not materialize on their own. Only tireless efforts and appropriate attitude and structure can transform a vision into reality. With this in mind, Addison has invested time and resources to modernize itself. As customer expectations change, so has Addison evolved, adapting itself to meet the changing demands of its customers. Modernizing machines to suit the needs and requirements of its workers, we have adopted CNC and robotic automation. With digitization and digitalization happening around the world, Addison too has digitized its operations with ERP systems, online sales, and has made its presence felt in social media platforms. And at the heart of this journey lie the real heroes, the founders, the workers who have never indulged in strikes or halted work for 55 years continually. The administrators, the customers, and the government who together have ensured that Addison continues its glorious journey with infinite success. And to honor our legacy, even today, the Morris Minor car Addison once assembled still graces the compounds of Irungattukottai plant in procession of a living tribute to a journey unlike any other. Let us live, let us prosper, let us stand united. Addison, a legacy in motion.